Expert Grill disposable grill topper. Looks like it sits on a grill. Food directly on the grill. What does it say? It says, do not leave on open flames. Doing so can melt the expanded aluminum surface. Because this is aluminum, not steel. I got a grill. I grilled the steak on this and it melted. It says do not leave on open flame because it melts. And it definitely melts. This will melt right on your grill. I cooked a steak on it, which was wrong, but this is what happens. I used it because I thought I didn't want it to touch the rusty grate, but I was wrong. So don't buy these if you're going to put it on the grill. Big mistake. It melts. It'll go on your food, get stuck in your food. So I don't think this is a good product at all. Not even for its intended purpose of warming food. Do not buy it. Dangerous.